Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 22 amazing things of pineapple. Sturdy and prickly on the outside, fragrant, delicious and extremely healthy inside. Pineapple was named as the healthiest fruit in the world and for some seriously important reasons. They contain zero fat and cholesterol, and plentiful of vitamins A, B, C, potassium, manganese, copper and a dozen of other minerals and nutrients our bodies regularly need. 1. Boost your immune system. Pineapples are a powerful source of vitamin C and, in fact, contain half of the daily recommended value for an adult according to Food and Drug Administration. Vitamin C is also a primary water-soluble antioxidant that fights cell damage. Our bodies need sufficient vitamin C to fight cell damage and prevent joint pains and heart diseases. 2. Strengthen your bones. In addition to containing loads of vitamin C, pineapples also have plenty of manganese which strengthens bones and connecting tissues. One study also suggests that manganese helps preventing osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice contains over 70% of the required daily dose of manganese. Kids, adults and elderly people should eat a few chunks of pineapple a day to keep their bodies strong. 3. A great remedy for sinuses and allergy swellings. Again, it's all about vitamin C and bromelain which helps to reduce mucus in the throat and nose. If you are exposed to seasonal allergies, incorporate pineapples to your diet, along with some extra bromelain supplements to ease up your condition. 4. Reduce blood clot. Bromelain helps reduce excessive coagulation of the blood. Frequent flyers, flight attendants, movers, and other folks at risk for blood clots, pineapples should be your go-to snack. 5. Reduce stress. Pineapples contain a good level of several B vitamins which propel your brain to function better and boost your ability to deal with stress efficiently. 6. Keep your eyes healthy. Due to the high levels of antioxidants and vitamin C, pineapple reduces the risk of macular degeneration, an eye disease, causing vision loss. Elder people are particularly exposed to it. Also, it contains a lot of beta-carotene, an essential element needed for healthy vision that should be consumed regularly. 7. Treat colds and cough. Thanks to the huge level of anti-inflammatory bromelain and vitamin C, pineapple can be a great remedy for treating nasty colds and coughing. Bromelain is also known to reduce swelling and respiratory problems. Enzymes that pineapples contain reduce inflammation and clean up excessive mucus in the respiratory system. The next time you feel sick, drink a glass of pineapple juice instead of orange juice. Your recovery will start much sooner. 8. Help prevent cancer. 9. Strengthen your gums. Astringent agents abundant in pineapples help to tighten up gum tissues and even prevent oral cancer. In fact, pineapples are often prescribed to fix loosening of teeth or the retraction of the gums. Keep your teeth healthy and strong by munching some pineapples. 10. Reduce blood pressure. Among other vitamins and minerals, pineapples contain a great deal of potassium. Potassium is a strong natural vasodilator, meaning it eases the tension of the blood vessels and promotes proper blood circulation to various parts of the body. As your blood vessels relax, your blood pressure reduces and the flow of blood is less restricted. So, pineapples can help prevent such conditions as stroke and atherosclerosis. 11. Improve digestion. Have slight digestion problems? You can fix it by adding some pineapple to your regular diet. Bromelain, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, all present in pineapples, promote better digestion. 12. Improve gut health. Did you know that the bacteria outnumber our cells 10 to 1? And most of them happen to reside in our guts, meaning keeping a healthy gut flora is essential. Pineapples have proved to soothe inflammatory bowel diseases by reducing gut inflammation and preventing diarrhea. Also, it helps digesting protein-rich foods like steak better. 13. Relieve nausea. A glass of pineapple juice can help you beat morning nausea for pregnant women. Also, anyone suffering from motion sickness can drink a few glasses of pineapple juice before heading to the airport or sneak a bottle for a long bus trip. 14. A great solution for acne. In this case, pineapples can be used both externally and internally to improve your skin condition, thanks to the great anti-inflammatory qualities of vitamin C, bromelain and special enzymes. Mix it with some turmeric and you have an amazing natural mask to treat your face. 15. Help treating foot cracks. Been hitting the road for too long? Treat your feet with a pineapple scrub to get some soothing relief for inflammation and swelling, triggered by the cracks, and make your feet smooth and radiant. 16. Strengthen your nails. If your organism lacks vitamin A and B, your nails are likely to break and crack a lot. To keep your nails strong and healthy, use pineapple. A source of both, it could be applied topical and munched regularly. 17. Cure chapped lips. Mix pineapple with coconut oil to soothe chapped skin and hydrate it properly. It's healthy and tasty at the same time, so no worries if you lick off some mixture before it soaks. 18. Prevent hair loss and make it thicker. Vitamin C antioxidant properties are a powerful mean against free radicals that damage hair growth. Pineapple extracts, when applied to the scalp, are known to provide vital nutrients to the follicles to make your hair grow better, thicker, and shinier. 19. Improve fertility. As free radicals can damage the reproductive system, getting a regular intake of antioxidants pineapples is highly recommended for couples trying to conceive. Vitamin C, beta-carotene, copper and the other vitamins and minerals present can positively affect both male and female fertility. 20. Help your body produce more energy. Manganese, which is abundant in pineapples, is a key cofactor boosting the creation of enzymes that are responsible for production of energy within your body. Feeling sluggish? Eat some pineapples. 21. Prevent asthma. Beta-carotene is found in pineapples can lower the risk of asthma. Pineapples also help to detox your organism from harmful substances and reduce inflammation levels caused by stress, pollution and poor nutrition. 22. Help with your mental health. Pineapple is full of amino acid tryptophan that your body uses to produce serotonin, the happy hormone. Getting enough amino acid, along with other nutrients like vitamin B, is essential to keep your neurological system up and running smoothly, for enough energy and positive mood hormones. Thanks for watching.